Yo, what's up guys? Fucking Hector's hella lagging, but I'm gonna continue on my car. Shit, I just gotta do the fuel filter and start taking off the bad tint job the previous owner did. Damn. Well, fuck it, at least I got the part already. I got a bunch of goo gone, a lot of elbow grease. So yeah, let's just get it before the sun goes down, because I woke up hella late today. If you guys didn't know, the fuel filter's right here. I just popped it out of this little clamp it had. So it looks like I'm just gonna use some Phillips screwdriver and just swap it out. Fuel lines are usually a bitch. I got this right here from AutoZone. Got to maintain your car. Don't forget to pop out your fuel pump fuse. This 10-1 right here. And crank it until there's no more fuel. You don't want fuel fucking spitting all over you. Alright guys, damn, that was a bitch. The hoses were like fused on the filter, but got it done. Brand new filter. Put the fuse back, and now let's crank it. Look at this tint, hella nasty. You're next. Oh, started right away. Sick. All right, the car's running good. So now take off some tint. That shit looks nasty. Half done. Half done also. And the back looks like shit. I don't think you guys could tell, but it's blurry as fuck, and at night I can't see shit. Time for some goo gone. Yo, what's up guys? I didn't film the ending of removing the tint of the driver's side window because it took forever and it got dark. Yeah, let's check it out. Damn, this took me hours, dude. Like, no lie. But finally, I still gotta do that side. And honestly, I probably might not even do the rear window. So much work. Probably later. But now, some motor mounts. These things are trash. Look, I can move the engine with my hand, dude. That's not supposed to happen. So I got some ISR polyurethane mounts. Hey, these look sick. Some good ass products. After I installed the tranny mount, damn, that thing was super solid. Good shit. Gotta do the motor mount, gotta vacuum the car because it's hella dirty, hella junk. That's the goals for today. Let's get it. Damn, that was a bitch to take off the motor mounts, but they're out. They look like trash, and I'm about to install the new ones. Check them out. Yo, what the fuck? I could flex this with my hand. These are trash, bro. Original equipment. But check these out now. They came with some spacers. I'm just gonna run them with one spacer because it looks like it's the same length. Damn, got that shit done. Yeah, boy. That side was not too bad, actually. This side was a bitch because it's just the oil filter's in the way. It's fucking hella. The wiring harness in the way. Power steering lines. It's the bitch. Now to vacuum the car. Yo, the motor mounts are fucking sick, but there's a lot more vibration. Don't do it if it's your daily, because that shit sucks. But now I continued on vacuuming the car, and look what I found. Fucking horrible. The previous owner put like so much foam. All this was in there. What the fuck, man? That's some bullshit. And then the wiring for the stereo was horrible. I had to pull all that out. But oh, what's up, babe?
I thought you were talking to yourself.
No. Hella creepy. But yeah, I cleaned out all the back. It was hella dirty back here. It still is, but A little better than before.
Now to vacuum. Alright guys, that's it for today. I just gotta finish removing that goo from the passenger side window. But yeah, check it out.
This car cleans up hella nice. And the seats aren't too bad. Little detail. Gotta put in the radios. Hopefully next week. I need music to drive this thing. And fix this door panel. I'm probably just gonna find a new one because this shit has low imperfections. I don't like it. But yeah, that's it. Highlight.